we are in part 2. So in this part 2, if you want to watch part 1, in the I bottom you can see the link. Just press the I bottom fast. So now let's go to the our second topic. Our second topic is SQL. No, first of all, we run our select statement. So you also run our select statement. Now about the where statement. Yes, from here. So here what can we do is, for example, we want to write we want to change to the customer ID. So first of all, wait for x57 8. Okay, from here we will do our programming. So first of all, let's select one of the files. I think we are want to select from customers. So where is the customers? Let's found the customers. So in the SQL store, inside the SQL store, we can find the customer. We can write from customers. So customers, then let's give the enter. And for example, in the customer, we want to put the points greater than 3000, where points is greater than 3000. So like this we can do. Now let's look. Sorry, error occur from customers. Okay, where points is greater than 3000. Once more run, you have an error in a syntax. That means points are greater or equal to 3000. Once more error is showing us. That is one of the very bad thing. Greater or equal to 3000. Okay, from customer, what is wrong? Select x is right. Now let's try. Okay, I think here we do a wrong sign. So look, answer points is greater than 3000. So customer ID 5 and 6, we can get more than 3000. So this is one program. SQL file 9. First of all, let's go to select streets. Let's first of all select state from customers. Then when we run this, then we can find these are our state. For example, only we want to look at the person, who belongs from the country this PA. I think that stands from Virginia. So we want to look the person who belongs from Virginia. To watch this, what can we do? So let's do it. Select asterisk like this, enter. From customers, then we can do where state is greater or equal to 100. Sorry, state is equal to PA. Then so we must write inside this. So we can get only one person named Bruce Innes, who belongs from Virginia. So this is how. So if we want to write who does not belongs from to BA, then like this, press asterisk. We can get everything except BA. So if we search BA, we cannot found because we have given except BA. Also we can do like this, greater than or smaller than. Then also we cannot get BA. It is like same. So don't worry about this. Control Shift Enter. So we cannot get BA here also. So this is one. Now let's go to SQL file 11. So now here we will do select asterisk from customers. So from customers, that is simple things. So don't forget to click in that link. From customers like this, press enter, then direct we can go to state. For example, if we want to go state, then customer ID. For example, we want to watch the present date. For example, we want to watch the customer in 2019. So for example, we want to watch the customer of 2019. Then we can do where customer. Then we should go to from customers. Sorry, no, we want to should go to from products. So let's go to here, product, and we can double click. Yes, when we double click we can go to directly here from products. We can see, and we want to do is that let's open these products. We want to columns, products, columns, unit price, product id, quantity, index, primary. Okay, so index is primary, good one. Foreign keys, triggers, we can also get triggers, shippers. So for example, phone, bought dates, so bought underscore date, where bought underscore date, where bought date equal to 2019. So we want to watch the person whose bought is greater than 1990. So we want to look the person whose age is 1919. Then when we do this, we cannot get anything because it does not find any types of bought date, because here is not given a bought date. So what is the problem here? I don't know, but bit. I think let's go to down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, so for example, this was out unit price. So in extra 510 just now, so for bought date is greater than, where order date, oh sorry, this is wrong. Where bought date from products, no bought date because it's error occurs, sorry for that. In products now we want to do from unit price is greater than. So for example, we want to watch the unit price greater than. Okay, first of all, unit price, what's unit price, first like this, control shift enter, then okay, control C, delete, then again fast doing, then we can see unit price like this. So if we want unit price more than 1.0, oh sorry, 2.3.0. So we want from 2.0, where unit underscore price, where in unit underscore price is greater or equal to greater or equal to 2.0, like this, 3.0. Then when we enter, then we can get more than 3.0, and oh sorry, less than sign occurs, so greater than sign. Okay, oh Noor, what is happening here? So we can now get more than 300, so don't worry. So now SQL file to build in this file, we are going to do, we are going to change the date. For example, we want to go to for example, we want to go to others. So in the others, we want to change, we want to look the present order in 19. So we want to look the present order in 2019. How many orders are in 2019? For example, we want to look how many order is in 2019. For this, I am here. So let's do it from. It is very easy to create. Don't worry about any topic because I am here. So let's do it now. First of all, we are going to select then our street. First of all, from customers, so charge is not happening, so this charging. Okay, now from customer, where sorry, not customer, from others, because we are going to others. Inside the others we can open look, inside the others we can get order date from others, others like this. Cannot get the option, it's very bad. Where, so where orders, items, order date, order date equal to or greater to, then we must put in quotation marks 2019, then 0000. So now if we print, then we can get only okay. Again, sign errors. Okay, what's the heck? What the hell is happening in the house? So you can see more than 2019. So present order are this, which we can get here now. These are the present order that we get from customer. So like this, we can create a business algorithm. Okay, now go to 13. So it is same. So this is only so. Also we can do is we can also leave accept 2019. We want to do accept 2019, then like this we can do. And when we print like this, we can get accept 2019. So these are the something. So look, we cannot get 2019 now. Okay, these are some of the programs that we are running. So let's go to Chrome. Okay, our video ends now. This is